Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to this accounts class. As can you remember, ma, what I have studied, practiced in the previous video? I think admission of a partner's learn. There are 5-6 adjustments involved, and already we finished distribution of accumulated profit and reserve and losses. And last class just we started revaluation of assets and liabilities, right? And we finished some fourth and fifth sum, I think, and today going to see the next level. So gradually we are adding next level. So let me recall once more. At the time of admitting a partner, the existing assets and liabilities are to be brought into the current value. The value of some of the assets, even liabilities too, may be increased, and some other assets and liabilities may be decreased. Similarly, new assets and new liability also brought into the account. So to record all those things, we need to prepare an account called revaluation account. All we studied and practiced 2 sums in the previous video. Just once more, let me recall. We have to pass one journal, even for 4, 5, 6 profit items and 3, 4 loss items. No need to pass separate journal for each profit items and each loss items. அப்படி pass பண்ணா it will go 5, 6, 7 journals. Both the time and the material energy, everything will be wasted. அப்படி வேணாம்தான். All the profit items we can join together, one journal we can pass. Therefore, the specimen journal is respective assets account debtor, respective liability account debtor to revaluation. This is profit item. Then revaluation account debtor to respective assets to respective liability. This is revaluation loss. Because as we know very well, revaluation account is just like a normal account. So all the losses items are debited and all the profit items are credited. Right? After passing these 2 journals, if we post this in the reverse ledger account, the profit items posted in the credit side and the loss items posted in the debit side. Now if we balance this, it will give us result. So what have we seen in the previous video? If the result, if we get in the credit side now, it is loss. That is debit side is more. If we get the result the debit side, it is profit. That is credit side is more. Okay, ma? The basic things. And apart from this, now today we are going to see, ma, that second part of this one, capital account of partners also we got to prepare. What we prepared in the lesson 3 and 4, capital account போட்டோம்ல, fixed capital, fluctuating capital போதுமா, capital account current account போட்டோம்லமா, அதே கான்செப்ட் தான். Here also capital account of partners also to be prepared. இது new thing. So ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஜ்லையும் we are adding ஒன்று. போன சம்மில் வெறும் ரீவேல்யூஷன் ஜேர்னல்ஸ் போட்டு லெஜர் போட்டு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணோம். இப்போ ரீவேல்யூஷன் அக்கௌண்ட் ஜேர்னல் போட்டு லெஜர் போட்டு அதுக்கு அடுத்தது கேபிட்டலும் போடணும், கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட். ஓகேவா? தென் ஸோ லைக் தட் கிராஜுவலி ஒன்று அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் we are going to see. ठीक है? Now let me read this sum. Raghu and Sam are partners sharing in a firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 17 is as follows. Okay, capital கொடுத்துட்டான், creditors alone. Then asset side machinery, furniture, stock, provision, அவனே provision கொடுத்துருக்குறான், bank over. Now what are the conditions for admitting him? Yes, Prakash is admitted on 1417 subject to the following conditions. A. He has to bring the very first adjustment சொன்னலமா capital brought in by new partner. இது 2 மார்க்லையும் கூட கேட்பான் 3 மார்க்லையும் கூட கேட்பான் ஒரு ஜேர்னல். ஓகேவா? சரி பார்த்துக்குவோம். capital brought in by new partner. 1. Then second, machinery is valued at 24,000. Machinery is valued 24. Old value enama? Old value was 30,000 asset side. 30,000. But now it is 24 only. So what happened? The value of assets now reduced. So it is loss item. Okay ma? Asset value decrease nave loss nu erkane solikrom. Therefore put on minus symbol in 24,000. But amount is how much? Old minus new. I mean 30 minus 24. Therefore 6,000. Don't take full 30. 24 ma? Valued at 24 na. Compare the old and new. This is the idea of revaluing the assets, whether increase or decrease. So now it is decrease up to 6,000. Okay, there put on margin dot also in asset side. Then furniture to be depreciation quite natural loss 30,000. Then provision for doubtful debts should be increased to 3,000. Oh, already old provision was 1,000. What they decided that was not enough now. Therefore they increased up to 3,000. பாத்துங்க அதுல டிஃபரன்ஸ் பாத்துங்க increased to 3,000 na from 1,000 to 3,000. Therefore exactly how much now newly increased ma 2,000. பாத்துங்க don't take full 3,000. Increased by na you will take full 3,000. Increased by na as it is. Increased 2 means the difference between and new and old. Therefore 3 minus 1 2. Okay va? பாத்துங்க. Then and unrecorded receivables rupees 1,000 will be bills receivable so far omitted. They forgot. அதெல்லாம் go through பண்ணும்போது இப்ப தெரியுது. They came to know, oh, bills receivable 1,000 we are going to receive. So it's an asset. Bills receivable asset allama. So now it is brought into the account. Therefore new asset brought into the account. It is now profit items. Okay va? It is now profit items. Therefore 3 loss items, I mean B, C, D, these 3 are loss items, and last E, only 1 profit items. Okay ma? What's the question they asked? Pass necessary journal entries and prepare revaluation account and capital account of partners after admission. சொன்னலமா journal pass பண்ணோம், revaluation account open பண்ணோம், then capital also we have to prepare. Okay va? Good. Now as per the adjustment we will do one by one. First, what's the adjustment ma? He has to bring rupees 10,000 as his capital. Therefore what was the journal what I taught already in the previous class ma? Cash or bank account debtor to new partners capital account. Therefore here bank account debtor to Prakash capital 10,000. Prakash capital 10,000. That is capital brought in by new partner. Okay, over. Now next, as per the same adjustment order we can pass, so that nothing we will omit. Therefore here loss item first given, that we can pass journal. Therefore begin with revaluation account debtor to machinery. What I taught ma? Old minus new na 30 minus 24 6. Therefore revaluation account debtor leave it. To machinery 6,000. To furniture 3,000. To doubtful debts 2,000. And the difference la erkone sollitom. Old value கொடுத்திருந்தோம்னா that is compared with new value and find out whether increase or decrease rate. அதை வச்சு whether it is a profit item or loss item we can decide. Okay. Good. Therefore once more repeat, net journal revaluation account debtor to machinery 6, to furniture 3, to provision for doubtful debts 2. Therefore 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11. 11,000 revaluation debited. Loss on revaluation. Loss items on revaluation. Okay, loss items on revaluation. Then next, only one profit item, I mean trade receivable account debtor to revaluation 1000. Only one, I mean new asset brought into the account. That's all, two journals. Okay ma. There, now come down. These two journals we have to post it. Okay ma. Therefore first journal won't come here, second journal all loss items. Therefore revaluation account two machinery, two 6,000, two furniture 3,000, two provision for doubtful 2,000. Adana journal போட்டுக்கிறோம். Then next, debit posting over second journal. Then third journal receivable to revaluation. Therefore by trade receivable 1,000. Oh, but loss items is more, debit side total is more. Therefore automatically the resultant figure will come in credit side. Therefore it is loss on revaluation. Therefore 11 minus 1 10 போட்டுக்கிறோம் பாருங்கம்மா. 11 minus 1 10. The 10,000 to be shared, what's the ratio ma? 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Therefore by capital account அப்படின்னு போட்டுமா ரகு and ஷாம் இதை ஷேர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 6 and 4. Okay, இதை முடிச்சுட்டு நவலி யூ கேன் பாஸ் திஸ் லாஸ்ட் ஜேர்னல் ஆஸ் லாஸ்ங்கிறனாலமா ரகுஸ் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் டெட்டார் 6,000, Sam's capital account debtor 4,000, to revaluation 10,000. Narration, loss on revaluation shared in the ratio of 3:2. That's all. Do you understand ma? Good. This part is over. Revaluation account over. Now come down capital account we have to prepare. So here three parts nama, divide the note as usual, double page only we can prepare. So after particulars with the LF column, joining these two you make one column. So this column is first column for first partner, and the debit and credit two columns mula, and the second column first partner, and third column last partner. அப்படி வெச்சுக்கணும், அந்த ஆர்டர்ல வெச்சுக்கணும். So both the side you make one more column with the LF column. That's all. Then, and as I taught in the third and fourth lesson, that capital account always begins with by balance brought down. Lemma, by balance brought down. Therefore how much they started capital accounts. See the old capital ma, Raghu 40, Sam 30. This is to be posted first. See here, by balance brought down capital account la 40,000 and 30,000. Another part capital account la. Okay. So then come to first journal. Bank account debtor to Prakash Capital. Okay, therefore Prakash Capital by bank. Prakash Capital by bank. Okay, good. Then and profit item, loss item will not come, and result on revaluation, yes, loss. Raghu's capital account debtor, Sam capital account debtor to revaluation போட்டுக்கலாமா? Therefore this loss posted on debit side. Therefore to revaluation account 6 and 4. To revaluation account 6 and 4. Okay. That's all. Posting over ma, one on posting the, because as we know very well it begins with always by balance brought down. Okay, new partner no இப்பதான் வர, அதனால தான் கேபிட்டல் கொண்டு வந்துருக்குறோம். அதுக்காக பை பேங்க் அவனுடைய காலத்தில் 10,000 போட்டோம். தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகே, இப்போ இதை பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணோம்னா credit side தான் always more since 40, 30, 10. The same amount posted in the debit side. Therefore balance பண்ணுவோமா, 40 minus 6 34, 30 minus 4 26, 10 10. Then by two balance carried down 34, 26 and 10,000. Again by balance brought down. Okay, that's all. Okay ma. See, similar to that you can do one sum as homework. Now come to Just a minute. Yes, this sum. Okay, ma. This sum you can do as one test. Just briefly I will point out what is that. Sai and Shankar are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. The firm's balance sheet as on 31st December 17 was as follows. Capital, creditors, outstanding, then come to assets, the building, bills receivable, personal bad debts, okay, like that. Now, what's the condition, ma? On 31st December 17, Sanmugam was admitted into partnership for 1/4 share of profit with 12,000 as his capital, subject to the following conditions. பார்த்துங்க 12,000 கொண்டு வரோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஜேர்னல். அதுக்கு என்னம்மா பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் டேட்டா டு சண்முகம்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் அது போட்டுருவோம். தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் ஆர் த கண்டிஷன்ஸ்மா? ஃபர்னிச்சர் டு பி ரீவேல்யூட் அட் 5,000 and building to be revalued at 50,000. Furniture 5,000. Old value of furniture was how much? Old value of furniture 6,000. But now it is valued at 5,000. அப்போ 1,000 லெஸ் ஆகிருக்கு இல்லைம்மா, குறைஞ்சிருக்குல்ல. therefore it is minus 1,000 loss. Note it there. And the building valued at 50,000. Old building was 34. Old building was 34, but now building was revalued 50ங்கனால 16,000 இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? அது ஒரு ப்ளஸ் பண்ணிட்டுமா 16,000 அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? தென் நெக்ஸ்ட்மா provision for doubtful debts to be increased to 5,500. Provision for doubtful debts already it was 3,000. What they think now, this 3,000 is not enough. They are going to make some more extra liability up to 5,500. Therefore new minus old now 5 minus 3 இருக்கும் 2,500 newly provided. That loss newly provided is 2,500 but not 5,500. Please listen carefully. ठीक है? That next ma, an unrecorded investment of rupees 6,000 is to be brought into account. Yes, that is new asset brought into the account. New asset allama, so it is profit item. Okay, put on plus symbol. Then unrecorded liability 2,500 has to be recorded now. This new liability brought onto the account, so it is automatically loss item. Good. So we marked what are all profit item, what are all loss items. Okay, just I will spell out once again. So first 3 journals, one for capital brought in by new partner Shanmugam, and profit items on revaluation and loss items on revaluation. 3 journals over. After that open revaluation ledger account, you may get the result, and the result go to journal 4th journal. That's all. Then what's the question now? Past journal entries, prepare revaluation account and capital account of partners. போன சமயம் போட்டோம்லம்மா capital account also like that. Now we have to open capital account. So what's the journal? First one ma, what he brought capital, therefore bank to Shanmugam capital 12,000. Okay, then next last item பாத்துருமா, அதே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். therefore revaluation account debtor, listen carefully ma, revaluation account debtor to furniture 1,000, to provision for doubtful debts 2,500, and unrecorded liability 2,500. Okay ma, therefore 25 and this 1 6. therefore revaluation account debtor 6,000 to other 3 25 1,000 25 and 2,500, totally 6,000. Okay ma, revaluation loss items. Then profit items பார்க்கும்போதுமா what building value increase. Therefore building account debtor 16,000, investment account debtor 6,000 to revaluation account. Therefore 16 plus 6 22. Yes, so automatically result is revaluation profit items. The net result is 22 minus 6. Yes, 1,000 2500, 2000, 6000. Therefore, 16,000 as revaluation profit you will get if you open revaluation ledger account. Okay, that's all. Pass one journal. Therefore, revaluation account debtor to Sai Capital, Sanghas Capital. Okay, that's all. Then come to capital account பார்க்கும்போதுமா as usual. Now open one column, both the debit and credit side. Begin with the first opening capital by balance brought down 48 and 40. Then by bank. யாருக்கு நியூ பார்ட்னர் சண்முகம் காலத்திலமா 12,000. தென் அடுத்ததுமா ரீவேல்யூஷன் ப்ராஃபிட் அது ஷேர் பண்ணி போட்டிங்கன்னா 16,000 அது ஷேர் பண்ணிங்க போட்டிங்கன்னா பை ரீவேல்யூஷன் போட்டுங்க போட்டு அவ்வளோ பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா யூ மே கெட் தி கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் சம் யூ கேன் டூ அஸ் டெஸ்ட் அண்ட் டேக் ஃபோட்டோ அண்ட் சென்ட் டு மீ. ஓகே, பார்த்துக்குமா திஸ் சம். எஸ், this is the sum. இந்த sum டெஸ்ட் எழுதி ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்புங்க. ஓகே, the rest of things going to see in the next video. Okay, see you, bye.